Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with clean, damp curls so the cap preserves shape overnight. Detangle gently to prevent knots. Apply a small amount of leave-in or oil to seal moisture, then section hair into 2-4 loose twists or a high pineapple. Once done, position the cap over the back of your head first, then pull forward to cover edges. This reduces friction and keeps definition. Make sure the band sits comfortably at your hairline. Loosen if you feel tension to avoid breakage. Next, focus on securing without flattening your curls. If you pine a PPL, yeah, hold hair high and loosely fasten with a soft scrunchie. If you prefer flat twists, pin them across the crown so the cap lays smooth. Then adjust the cap. Fold the rim or use the built-in drawstring to get even, gentle tension. This prevents slipping yet preserves root lift. If the cap shifts, add a silk scarf under it, or pin the cap at 2 points outside the elastic to keep it centered all night. In the morning, remove the cap slowly to avoid sudden frizz and loss of curl pattern. You can gently pineapple and give your roots a light shake to bring back volume. If any sections look flat, mist with water or a small amount of leave-in and scrunch to reactivate curls. If edges are flattened, retwist those pieces or apply a touch of edge control. If the cap caused slipping, tighten or switch to a larger size for better overnight stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.